So I've been looking at different exchanges because I'm a scalper, and I've been comparing a few ones, and I got my eyes on XT, and I'll tell you why right now. So I've got my screeners on, I'm finding trades, and what I like about XT are a few things. There's no KYC, a lot of new user rewards. So if you're gonna trade anyway, why not mitigate some of your volume in fees by getting money from an exchange? XT, there's a newbie carnival right now. If you use my link in description below, you gotta use it to claim the rewards. Otherwise, that won't be possible. Even if you have an account, just create a new one because there's no KYC. Deposit refund carnival up to 200 bucks, $10, just like that. It's very simple. If you decide to do KYC, first deposit gift for new users is 100 bucks and get $20 on top. It's very interesting. There's a lot of things. Use the description down below if you want to join. Bitcoin is currently pumping. This is an exchange with very good liquidity. As you can see, 200 Bitcoin. Look at this. There's a lot of buys. There's a lot of buys coming in, just like that. The order book is very strong. Has everything you need to get high orders in. Didn't have any issues with hacks and stuff like that. And you have copy trading, you have rewards, you have futures. If you want to go to the futures trade and trade futures, you can click derivatives and click on USDTM. But basically, this video, by the way, is no financial advice. But another option, if you don't want to trade on your own and you want to use someone else to trade for you, you want to go to copy trading, futures copy trading, or even spot copy trading, which is something I have not seen another exchange do, which is very good because well-seen insiders will be using this function. And you can see people using, look, they're buying stuff here. They're buying different stuff. I'm getting alerts for trades. They're buying different stuff. And you can just follow them. For example, this guy only had a 20% drawdown and he has 400% ROI. You obviously need people that are on for more than 30 days and that have a low drawdown with a high followers P&L, not just his P&L. This guy, for example, has $200,000 worth of assets under management, basically all the money he's using. And you can see what are the available lead traders in the last 180 days, for example, and you can sort them by maximum follower. Look at this, his followers made $51,000. He has a 51% win rate, and he's slowly printing money, and there's not a lot of competition because if you're a good trader, you have an incentive to sign up and start trading there, so people can follow you. There's also a finance section where you can have simple earn, advanced investments, they have listings, they have launchpad, they have reward hub, and so on and so forth. So it's an exchange that has everything in one place. If you're like me and you want to diversify your funds into different exchanges, get some rewards along the way, definitely do check it out. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.